A friend of DHQ Chicken is speaking out and dropping bombshells. They say Chicken and Ice were heading to the party, but Ice was the real target, not Chicken. The friend even claims Ice sells her body, and that might be the reason she was set up. Was this a personal hit or something deeper?
Call on her second, I call on her second, and she could tell me, say, oh, I worked then go up on something the last night, which man. And it's like, the gunman them chill them go to party. And the other girl, the Chicken I work, they ain't really come for, isn't it? And I pay like the girl later, because Chicken and the girl turn up out the door. And it's like, the girl see man, them come and run off with Chicken. So then shoot Chicken. She run in the box, and then she fire one shot.
Welcome back to Chute, Jamaica, where we keep you locked in with the hottest and most unfiltered news straight from the streets. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because we bring the realness every time. Dyma continues to vent and grieve the loss of her friend Chicken, and according to her, things still aren't making any sense. She played a short voice note she recorded while talking to Ice, the same Ice who was with Chicken when everything went down. During the live, Roger chimed in and shared his opinion, saying it feels like Chicken was set up. Dyma explained that Ice isn't even a regular dancer. She usually works as a bartender. The original dancer who was supposed to go to the party with Chicken canceled last minute and asked Ice to go instead. That's the first red flag. Dyma said after she spoke to Ice that one time, Ice stopped answering all her calls. And now Ice is the one holding on to Chicken's phone and belongings, but never went to the police station or the hospital. That's just weird. Even the basic details not adding up. Dyma asked the dancer who recruited Ice where she was from. She said May Pen. But when Dyma asked Ice herself, Ice said Spanish Town. Why the lies? The biggest question? Ice was right there with Chicken. She should have been the main witness. So why was the promoter the one giving the statement at the station instead of her? Dyma says she has a strong feeling justice won't be served because Chicken's family is poor and won't be able to push for a full investigation. And sadly, that's how it usually goes in this country.
I don't know why people and a girl not even talk.
That man like shut her.
And dance done everything. Promoter pack up the go and she turn up the promoter that she go sleep. The girl claims that she had turn up at the taxi doorway. Roger. She said the dance done everything. The man nobody no catch up. Dance done everything. Then the vaccine is a turn up. The girl must go to the promoter for one banana chips. And the promoter say and she pay her 2 days. Yeah, the door they eat the banana chips. The other girl say the vaccine and she stand up. She claims that she not hear no shot. She don't see the girl around and she think I fear the girl. That's what the girl say when go with the name Ice. Listen that Roger this add up, you know. She said she not hear no shock. She never went traumatized. She think I fear the girl fear. And when she look on the ground, she see her and when she go to go touch her, she hear somebody say no. And she duck and then shoot at the car glass. And she go to the car go wiggle up. And that's it. You not hear nothing more.
When she had grown, she had grown. And when somebody said don't touch her, somebody tell her duck.
Tell she duck and does the car glass shoot out. That makes sense, Roger?
Back in the car will shoot her.
No, the car not drive, not the car park. The promoter them car, the vehicle, the promoter park the liquor in her.
But who shoot her?
Oh, nobody don't know, and the girl don't know worry nobody. Let me go for my next phone, make you listen to Roger and tell me if this make blood clot sense. God, this can't make no sense, blood. Can't make no sense whatsoever. Can't make no sense, Roger. Roger, me piss off right now. Me not even want come like not even want dance again, blood. You believe me? Come like me don't even want dance again, brother. Believe you me, brother. This not make no sense, Roger. This not make no sense, Roger. No sense, this not make, Roger. No sense, this not. Roger, listen to this. Let me hear Roger because my Wi-Fi they give me beer. Listen to this, Roger.
Love and love alone, mama.
Where say, you know, over the dance, over your name. Where say, come here, tell the people them say. If I were there. Yeah, here?
Yeah.
When you tell me, mom, say never tell me about no shoot out dance, I said the party lock off.
Party lock off from about 12:30. And the boss a check off the bartender and a check off like you know.
Yeah, me understand. Mm-hmm.
So you lock off your good while. When we do go to do.
Well, 5K for the number, 7K for the number 6. Yes, I don't even know. Even know
I mean, I tell you, say, Roger, Nah, listen, me have to go send it. Me send it, Vice Lord, Roger. Me send it, Roger, because you're not listening right now. Me send it.
My sister, yeah, it just
More
strange
send
to
it,
me out
yeah.
here. Eh?
Yeah.
My God. Roger couldn't even pause the begging for 2 minutes so we could hear the full voice note. That was mad annoying. You can tell he doesn't really care. He was more focused on donations than the truth.
Them thing they come like say you have to be careful.
Yeah. Me don't know my internet now what good you so man. Weird. That's weird.
That sound like when somebody books
Me not
somebody
play
and
nothing.
just
Go
analyze.
on, man. Me will send it, Congo. Me not play nothing. Go on to, no go on about to no business. Just go on about to no business.
Somebody book somebody for analyze them.
Yeah, this not adult, brother. But you see the promoter not even know the girl. So me don't know how she comfortable because the promoter you gonna sleep. I promoter know chicken, but the promoter don't know she because I first ever go do dancing work because I work at normally bartending. Roger. And I never she if you go with the girl. And when somebody else go with the girl, and if somebody the girl say here never do, so she send somebody else to fill in her space, Roger. So all you so comfortable somebody there in front of you, you just gonna sleep so. And then if the girl reach back her yard and me a call her, she not take no blood clot call for me again. And she have the girl phone. What you do with the girl phone and the girl back everything in the hospital? So how the fuck you have the girl phone? Something does not add up here, Roger. Something does not add up, brother. Something does not add up, Roger.
She's dead. It's mad.
Nobody know that the girl is. Nobody know the girl. First the girl said she send her to go recruit. The girl said she come from Maple. Now when I chat to the girl this morning, the girl tell me say she come from Spanish Town. Me make sure me I talk to the girl and me scream, me make sure I record and I listen to the girl, you know. Cause nothing where woman tell me say not make no sense. Me make sure me record, you know, brother. Cause nothing where the woman tell me say not make no sense, brother. Nothing where the woman tell me say. But police don't question her already and send her back her yard. You know say Jamaica police kill this already. You already know say Jamaica police don't kill this, brother. Nothing nah add up this son. Nothing nah add up. Cause there's no way. Whether me know you are not, Roger. For me you go somewhere, I am dead in front of me. There's no way me could have go down sleep.
No, Daimma, that have fuck with my head.
Me could have never go comfortable if you go down sleep. Whether me know you are not, as long as I'm here you go together, Roger.
Mm-hmm.
I'm here you left far away with it and go to fucking together. How the hell me I go feel comfortable
Daimma, I couldn't
together?
sleep none at all. No sleep.
What kind of time that the woman have to sleep when me call the woman send it that sleep? He does. I say to her, say, you're not afraid. Yeah, but what me if you do? Are you still, so back in one place, are you still long until much a morning? Are you not for like girls in the hospital? You know, for like girl, you talk about you don't have no fear if you go to me call promoter on a period. When me ask the people promoter their station, and the promoter is your station. Oh, the fuck you know their station too? And are you and him in the day? You and him turn up together, promoter when gone up a bar, you and him turn up together. You and her turn up together, you should have more with their station than the promoter.
Yeah, because you are the witness.
And you are the witness, all the promoter their station and the promoter there. You and him did there, you and him did there. And you and her the car door together.
Miss Anna love you. Everybody big up.
And this is what I really can't understand. How is it that Ice wasn't at the police station giving a statement? She was right there, standing beside Chicken when everything went down. She was the main witness, not just somebody passing through. She was literally in the mix. So why was it the promoter went in and not her? That don't make no sense. And now she gone silent? Not answering Dyma's calls? Still holding on to Chicken's phone and things, but never once thought to go to the police or even check the hospital? Something not right. People, open your eyes. Something fishy is going on and
You're in a bed asleep. That don't make no sense, blood. Let me call the woman when the girl give me number, me call the girl.
I'm going to show you something. See if I certain people, that girl let them go there for their family. I tell you.
Roger, woman come, little girl mother, little girl have one little soft family, and little girl mother Christian. I don't know problem people them. I don't know problem people them, Roger. And if people might even have money, if they go look like have investigate and so. So right now to me, little girl that just go good on the jail because I don't know problem people. I don't know people have money if you go look like have go investigate nothing. People them not have it just so normal little Christian people. The girl come from blood. Roger, me say me can't know me can't ball, brother. Me never feel nothing so in my life yet, blood. Never.
That's how you're friend, you know.
Never you.
I understand.
Roger, when the little girl in my house, Roger, if me not say chicken, you're hungry, chicken not say a word. Me a chicken in my house, Roger. And if me not say chicken, sometimes I have one even gone. He little bit in a talk, brother. Bit in a talk, brother. I say chicken and I look to the feet.
Are the batch me I use?
Pitting just come and work, Raja, and just work, and just gone a yard, brother. Pitting the business, in just work, gone a yard. All if a $10, if you get $10, I give him 5. He not quarrel, so if you get 10, if I have he gone and he not complain blood. Wickedness then do to chicken. And chicken don't deserve this. I don't know, and Raja don't know little girl, when we not go dance, then go with no man and go fuck on this. I don't know them type of little girl. Them little girl, listen to me, brother. When you them go nowhere, then go home with you, then go nowhere, then no man can take them, and no man can judge them, and no bush. A discipline pitney, brother. Discipline pitney, brother. I don't like say me could have think say, alright, I want a little girl we would go fuck or go trouble one. No, them they pitney, Raja. Then they pitney and go, no, Raja if him a dance, no, on the ground, Raja. I me say chicken tap, in tap. If me say no dance, he not dance, brother. He pick the discipline, brother. And he pick me having little baby party, and he pick me a single mother. And I pick me having little pitney party, and he pick me a daycare center, and he pick the mother. He pick little pitney. Never go see back his mother, brother. I come back for him blood. Roger, me say me never feel nothing so in my life yet, brother.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Right now, the girl, when me call the girl, I say, he must sleep, and the promoter the station. And the promoter of the station, are you animated when it happen? You know, you should say then shoot over him, and shoot over and run. You don't really want to play no vice up on a live. Me send it to you, Roger, you just listen to it, listening to it, and nonsense. Most of the theaters listen to it and pick sense of the nonsense. The promoter don't know the girl. Remember saying no originally in a Roger, never she and a girl if you go, you know. If somebody when she and her if you go originally never have no hairstyle, what she said, so she send somebody to replace her.
So she can't know the promoter then.
So the girl will go, you see the girl will go there, she don't know original dancer, she's an original bartender as far as me see. I first, she a go work and she tell me say I first, she ever go for one promotion work. She did. And Roger, don't a man develop a place so the girl work all the time. And that's how she work the most at Westmoreland. I remember she has 17 lips, so that's how you get most and work them, brother.
That's crazy.
I mean, I tell you for it. And nobody don't know what happened. You can't get a good explanation. You can't get a right statement. Me up to the police and says they must say this weird. And everybody I tell us say she and nobody no argument. She and nobody no catch up, no fight, no go and dance, done and everything. So what is the problem?
You've been watching Chute Jamaica, the platform that speaks for the voiceless and brings the stories the streets refuse to forget. This isn't just gossip. This is pain. This is real, and this is about justice for Chicken, a young woman gone too soon under suspicious circumstances, and too many questions left unanswered. We're not here to sugarcoat. We're not here to play politics. We're here to highlight the truth, ask the hard questions, and demand accountability, whether you're rich, poor, uptown, or downtown. If this story moved you, if it left you thinking, if it made you angry, don't just scroll. Like, comment, and share. Let your voice be heard, because when the system fails the poor, the people must rise up and speak for them. Chicken's life mattered, and we will not rest until we see justice, or at least real answers. Stay locked into Chute Jamaica, where the truth cuts deep and we never back down.